Stop hiring clones of data scientists. You're missing the point. If your DQE JD looks like a watered-down senior data scientist, you are already on the wrong track. Let me show you clear steps to assess candidates effectively and compliantly, plus insider hiring tips specific to data quality engineers. This role is not a junior pipeline job or a less glamorous data scientist. Misaligned expectations and flawed interviews lead to bad hires. This guide dismantles that approach and gives you a step-by-step playbook. You'll learn the unique DNA of a great data quality engineer. Practical steps, assessment templates, interview questions, and fair evaluation methods. We'll move beyond generic templates into what truly matters. Technical competencies, soft skills, and the investigative mindset, plus how to structure fair interviews and tests that mirror real work. Ready? First, what does this role actually do? Hire the right person and they become an invaluable asset to your data ecosystem. Let's dive in. The core mission: systematically build and maintain trust in your organization's data. They are the architects of data reliability, design systems, processes, and tests that guarantee dashboards and models are fit for purpose. They don't just clean up crises, they prevent them. A strong DQE saves data scientists hours and accelerates decision-making. A poor hire creates false security and flawed strategies. A day is detective work, profiling, tracing lineage, and detecting anomalies. And engineering, building tests into CI/CD, they're diplomats, explaining technical issues to non-technical teams. They establish and enforce standards across the life cycle. They build observability, a health view, not just tests. Tools track quality metrics over time and make state transparent. The result? Move from reactive firefighting to proactive prevention. You build a lasting foundation of trust. Next, what skills matter most? Clarity in the JD is your best friend. Separate must-haves from nice-to-haves. Overloading requirements scares excellent candidates away. Must-have number 1, SQL proficiency. Beyond selects to joins and window functions, they need to write deep dive queries to uncover inconsistencies. Must-have number 2, experience with data testing and validation frameworks. Familiarity with DBT tests and frameworks like Great Expectations is critical. Must-have number 3, data observability tooling, schema monitoring, anomaly detection, lineage, know popular vendors and open source alternatives. Nice to have advanced ML model development. Familiarity with a BI tool is useful but not core. Hands-on experience beats certifications every time. Focus evaluation on core competencies and passion for data quality. Ask them to describe building a data quality check from scratch. Good answers link code, business need, thresholds, alerting, and remediation. Next, how to assess soft skills and mindset. Technical skills get them in the door. Soft skills and mindset determine long-term success. This role is collaborative, curious, and persistent. Use realistic scenarios, not generic behavior questions. Ask, walk me through how you communicate with stakeholders and structure updates. Weak answers focus only on technical debugging. Strong answers describe communication, reassuring stakeholders, and a diagnostic plan. Probe for intellectual persistence. Did they methodically test hypotheses? Listen for methodical testing and collaboration. Look for adaptability. Comfort with ambiguity and new data sources. Ask, describe convincing another team to change process. What was the win-win? Use behavior-based prompts. Tell me about a time. With follow-ups, what did you do? What was the impact? Ask for evidence, metrics, timelines, stakeholders involved. Add a short take-home or timed exercise on a sample dirty dataset. Require documentation and a proposed monitoring plan that reveals both technical and communication skills. Finally, where to source candidates and how to keep hires fair and compliant. Use a structured interview scorecard that defines competencies in advance. Require evidence-backed scores to reduce bias. Don't over-index on pedigree. Great DQEs come from many backgrounds. Assess hands-on experience instead. Use realistic assessments. a sample dataset with known issues and ask for queries and a remediation plan, score on signal areas, detection logic, remediation and communication. Evaluate motivation and fit with behavior-based, job-relevant questions. Avoid illegal or vague culture questions. This wording is compliant and predictive. Top sources: LinkedIn, broad reach and active search, employee referrals, high signal and fast, and niche communities, DBT Slack, Data Talks Club. Great for passionate practitioners. Use scorecards, blind resume review where possible, and ATS workflows to enforce consistency. Combine practical technical tests with structured behavioral scoring and validated frameworks. Pitfalls: rushing, over-prioritizing pedigree, neglecting team fit. Fixes: structure, realistic tests, evidence-based calibration. Hire right, subscribe, and visit peopleteam.com/hiring if you need to hire now.